We can do this every day. All right. Okay. This is me just trying to show you. I've actually made some withdrawal. This is another trade, and let me just show you the value first. This is 026. Okay. Let's see the value first. You may be wondering, nowadays I'm showing you Bitcoin trading. Okay. This is no, I don't like I don't want to use let me use Naira. Although the Naira here is not correct, please note that Naira here is not correct, but it's still something. Now I want to just show you so that you get to know the value in Naira. I've done several trades. I've actually grown a very small amount of money, like 0.03. I'm going to share with you how I grow it so that you can get to see my profit table, right? Let's see my profit table. Do you lose? Yes, of course. Can you see losses there? Can you see losses? Can you see wins? Can you see losses? Can you see wins? You can see losses and wins, right? So there will always be room for losses, but you see, you have to be well prepared, well trained, well tutored. So you need training. Don't go and do this on your own. You may end up losing your money. So let me show you what I just had. I started with 0.0 I think 334 something. Yeah, I started with something like this, which is like 7,000 plus. Let's just say 8,000. So now I ended up with this .0264. I think so. Yeah. Oh, I needed to be sure because I think I made another trade. So I'm gonna be withdrawing. You got okay 65. So 65 is 65. So it's 65 265. So 265. All right. So that's 61,000. Let me minus what I started with from it so that we'll know the profit. 0.0034. Now that's 53,000 naira. Hey, anybody can do this. Even my daughter can do this. All right, I'm just kidding there. All right, let me make a withdrawal. I want to copy my wallet address. Hey, you can do this all the day, every day, daily, every day. At least I've been able to record some, maybe 2 days in a row so that you get to see that you can do this every day. So for me to withdraw, all I need to do is go to cashier, right? I'm withdrawing Bitcoin. So I like to do this before morning segment, so I'm going to leave 0.03 as well again. Yeah, what I started with is what I'm going to leave again and then grow it up and make the profit. Start small. Reason is it will help your psychological perception. Start small. Binary is very, very profitable, and the greediness inside binary can swallow you. So the only way or the measure you can use to control yourself is starting small. So I'm making the withdrawal into this wallet. So I'm going to be withdrawing 0.02. I have 26, so I'm going to have like 235. No, 235. Yeah, 235 is okay like this. All right, so this is what I'm withdrawing. It's good to go. That's what it means. You can see the information. So let me click on withdraw. Bam. So you can see the process below. This will be processed. So I'll be left with 0.003. Then I'll start all over again. That's like 7,000. That's like $20. If you don't know, that's like $20. What I've made is let me show you in dollars. Maybe that will ring some bell. You get to understand the value, right? So this is $174 profit. $174. Okay, from how much? Let's find out from how much. 034 from $25, like $26. So $26, you make 100 and what? Let's find out. $26, you make 100 and what's this? 266, right? Is it 266? Oh, I need to be sure. Yeah, I need to be sure. Okay, 2655 55, right? So 55 here minus 0.0034. So $170 profit, $170 profit. Anybody can do this. You can do this. God bless you. See you in another video.